Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today in this session, I'm going to give you a very simple technique to start speaking in English or so as to start practicing in English. Okay, so these are warm-up exercises basically. So practice sessions are basically warm-up exercises. If you warm up the right way, it is absolutely going to lead you to excellence. So today in this session, I'm going to talk about how questions and answers can help you to improve your English speaking skills or to improve in your English fluency and confidence. Right? So here I'm going to give you some questions also which will help you to start speaking in English, or you will know how to answer them in English, or rather which is going to help you to answer them in English. Okay, so guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's dig in. So question and answer is a very powerful technique or a very powerful tool which will help you to improve your English speaking skills or your English communication skills. How? I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, and I'm also going to give you a list of questions which can help you to exercise English speaking. These are very basic, simple questions, guys. If you start answering those questions in the best way possible, it is absolutely going to help you to become fluent and confident in no time in speaking in English. And you will feel confident of speaking in English in front of others as well, in the first attempt as well. Okay, so what kind of question and answer we should take up? It's not about textbooks, right? So we have to answer, tell me something about Snow White. What do you think about the monk who sold his Ferrari? No, it's not about these kind of questions. It's basically about very simple, basic questions, right? So, for example, you can start with, what is your favorite color? And why? Now, I'm going to give this answer to you. My favorite color is white. I love its purity. I love this color because it's so pure. It is very versatile. You can pair it with any other color. It goes with everything. And it has a cooling effect also. I love this color because it's pleasing to my eyes and it's so pure. Okay, so this is how you can describe it. Any color you can pick up, anything you can pick up, and if you just answer it why you love that color or why you love that. It's very simple, guys. It will help you to think and speak in English as well. So these are very basic questions. We know which color is our favorite, white, pink, red, green, whatever, you know. And we know why it is our favorite. It's just that we have to put it in words. We have to put it in sentences. So it is just 4 or 5 sentences you have to speak about it. Start practicing in this way, right? Coming to question number 2. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is Indian. I love Indian food. Why? I love Indian food because I have grown up eating that food. It is a comfort food. We go out, we celebrate, we eat Italian, continental, Chinese, Mughlai, every kind of food we eat outside. But then at the end of the day, when we come back home, we want to have our own thali, right? We want our own home cooked meal, right? So that is why it is a very comfort food for me, and I love eating. I have been grown up eating this food and I love Indian food. And that is why I love Indian food. It's as simple as that. Whatever your reason is, just talk about it. right? And if you start speaking in this way randomly on anything, any basic general thing, these topics comes up in our discussions also, guys, right? People do talk about what is your favorite food, what is your favorite color, right? And then we speak. So that is why these are very common conversational topics. If we start taking up these questions and start answering it every single day and keep on practicing it in this way, it will be much easier for us to go out and speak with people on any kind of topic. Okay, now next, what is your hobby, or what do you love doing and why? I love reading books. That is my hobby. I have been reading books since childhood. I used to read story books during my childhood. I used to borrow books from the library and I used to bring it home and I used to read it and go back and submit it back. So I have been in practice of reading books since childhood, and I love reading any and every kind of stuff, like be it a storybook or a novel or a fiction or non-fiction or autobiography or anything else. I love reading books and magazines and newspaper as well. I have learnt a lot by reading. I think reading has helped me to improve my vocabulary as well. So reading has helped me a lot, and that is why I enjoy reading and I'm pursuing this hobby. Okay, this is a very simple answer, right? You can take up anything. You love cooking, you love baking, you love dancing, you love playing musical instruments. Just talk about it, guys. Anything you can choose and start speaking. These are very basic questions, right? Next, which is your favorite drink? Tea or coffee? My favorite drink is tea. I love having tea, especially during monsoon and winters. And I think it has come from my mom. My dad doesn't drink tea, but my mom loves drinking tea. So I think I have got this from her. So when I was there at home, I used to give her company, and later on I continued the same. I think it refreshes me whenever I'm tired, or if I want to do something, or if I'm feeling tired, or if I want to start something afresh, I would love to have a cup of tea at that time, and especially during evenings. And if the weather is good, if it is raining, if it is pleasant, of course I love having tea with a good snack, right? So you can talk about anything, right? This is how we can just answer basic questions. The long list of questions, you can pick up any question. What is your favorite TV series? What is your favorite movie? Favorite actor, favorite actress, favorite sports person? Anything. Pick up anything and talk about it. Just answer the question why. Who is your favorite actor and why? So the whole day, at least come up with 5 questions every day. And it is not difficult at all. So many questions I have discussed here, and I am still going to discuss more questions. So pick up 5 questions every single day and answer these questions with why. Give a reasoning to it, so that your brain gets into the habit of reasoning also, coming up with logic. So that tomorrow if you are having a conversation on any topic, your brain just starts thinking about the logic, like how to present it, what you should answer, right? So your brain should start thinking in that way. So that's why you have to train your brain in that way. So start with these simple questions. Okay, who is your favorite actor and why? Currently my favorite actor is Deepika Padukone. She is very calm. I love her calmness. She doesn't react immediately. Whenever you ask a question to her, she replies it in a very subtle and a very gentle way. She's very calm always, and I love that. She has a good personality and she carries that personality very well. The way she talks, the way she expresses herself, the way she carries herself, the way she presents herself on stage and everywhere else is really commendable. I like it. And that is why she is currently my favorite actor. And of course her acting has also improved a lot. And she is a good actor. So this is how I described So this is how I describe my favorite actor. Okay, which is your favorite movie and why? I am a movie buff. I have a lot of favorites. Lots of movies which I can watch again and again. But just talking about it right now, this movie came to my mind, which is Drishyam. And I loved that movie. It held me till the end. From starting till end, I was held on to the movie. Right? So that was so interesting, and it was so, thrilling for me that I was just glued to that movie. And I was just thinking what will happen next, what is going to happen next. It was such a great movie. And similar movie was a Wednesday also. So these kind of movies also I love. And apart from that, there are lots of other movies which are my favorites, like DDLJ or Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, etc, etc. So guys, these are very simple basic things we can talk about. So very simple questions we can talk about. Which is your favorite flower? Which is your favorite sports? What is your favorite routine? Favorite festival? Favorite season? Etc. Guys, there are lots of things you can talk about. See, I've given you enough questions to note it down and start practicing it on a daily basis. I told you to take up 5 questions every single day and start talking about it and start answering that question with logic, like with why, or attach something to make it a little bigger. So 5, 6 sentences, 8 sentences, speak about it and get into the practice or daily habit of doing this. It is absolutely going to help you guys, because these are the questions which comes up in our day-to-day conversations as well when we go out and speak to people, right? They ask us about our hobby, our favorite time pass, our favorite food, our favorite drink, our favorite sports, our favorite exercise, our favorite dance, our favorite music, movie, etc, etc. Right? So start taking these up and start answering these questions to improve your English speaking skills, or to improve your communication skills, or to become more fluent and confident in speaking in English. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.